Most of these people, right down to the people in USAID, most of these people are really sincerely want to do something about the problems in Haiti. And most of them understand the problem, but they can't do anything about it because the system is so entrenched.
In the fall of 2010, USAID and the State Department began a project known as Foreign Assistance Streamlining, in which they took a serious look at food distribution and how it can be more effective.
We've given everything away. So we've created all the NGOs, the international governments, the mission groups. We've created probably the largest bacon society in the world.
The welfare society, whether that's North America, especially in US, or here, encourages people to be lazy and not do anything.
Functional structure of food distribution for most of the big donors like USAID is to get it out there. After that, there is no accountability, no more accountability.
It's a top-down approach that's wrong. You get people, okay, they know, you know, they've been studying, they've been through a lot of trainings, and they understand the approaches. But once you get down to the community, especially in community development, if you don't understand the community, if you've never been there, I don't believe you can literally help the community.
If they really want to help, stop throwing money out. Bring schools, bring university, college, bring industry. It's really important. Haiti is a good country.
From 1804 to today, we have had so many governments. And look where we are today.
The problem we're having now, we had it before, it's worse now. People, they don't trust the government. They don't trust the government. The reason is simple, just because the government, really, our leaders, they are not trustable.
Haiti, to all those governments, Haiti is still the poorest country in the Western Hemisphere.
It has to have some different leadership. Some leadership of not just based on what the international is pushing, but for someone to really look deep into where Haiti is.
The corruption, wherever it starts, and I tell people, I've seen it after hurricanes, I'm going to see it after the earthquake. It's only a matter of months before I start going into stores in Jeremy, Haiti, and buying things that say, not for sale, World Food Relief. And I'm going to be buying it because somebody sold it when it was supposed to be given away.
Make it accountable. Because look, if they knew, and if the people on the ground were exposed, it would change. People would change it. Something would get done about it.
Right now, there's enough arms, enough heads in Haiti to change it tomorrow if people want to, you know. But we just need to come together. So our approach is basically to try to help with the coordination, because there is a massive problem right now. I mean, I'm going every day to the UN, and I can tell you that they're trying, but they have a whole lot of problems.
We are sick and tired, really, of all this international aid. If it cannot be well directed, where billions, you know, billions are coming into Haiti for what? We don't need that much money to start with. It doesn't take billions for you to clean up the dirt and the garbage.
I have seen and I have also read about the rice programs. And Haiti can grow rice, and it has. And then the NGOs come in and give away rice to help the people, and the local Haitians can't sell their own rice.
Those money don't really help Haiti. He help our leaders.
All humanitarian financial aid can do is put Band-Aids on wounds. It can only help for a time, and when you're done doing that, it goes right back to where it was before.
The two biggest problems in Haiti is education and employment. There's just no doubt about it. So now we've just started a Creole reading and writing course, and we're now paying for the young girl to teach the Haitians how to read and write.
If we can motivate people, we can inspire the best in them, things can change. They will stand up and say, I don't have to live this way anymore. I'm going to change it.
We lack education. We lack in health, in medical, in everything, and we have nothing here.
There was a orthopedic team that came down here after the earthquake, and they got very frustrated because the hospital that they went to had no lights, no water, the x-ray machines didn't work, the anesthesia machines didn't work, and they said, oh, that, nobody could respond to the earthquake. This is all because of the earthquake. Those of us who've been to Haiti said, that's normal. That's Haiti on a good day.
Over 2 years since the earthquake, many of Haiti's basic infrastructures haven't been restored. As you look around, it is hard to believe that any organization has begun the rebuilding effort. Haitians no longer need a handout, but they need a hand up, and they shouldn't be prisoners of aid. One obvious fact still remains. Living conditions here in Haiti have not improved, despite all of the billions of dollars poured into this country. Families still live in tent cities while thousands are left homeless. Children with no one to care for them as they stand in long lines waiting for the chance to eat. Tent cities seem to fill the landscape and overshadow all of the aid work that has been done here. Albert Einstein once said that insanity is doing the same thing over and over again, expecting different results. This is certainly proven true here in Haiti, and it is why we must change the delivery system of aid into this country by holding these organizations to a higher level of accountability. Poverty is not a business.
You would never give a guy some money and tell him, okay, take care of this and decide how much you should get as your profit, and then just give me what's left. You wouldn't do it. This is what they're doing with aid. Now, what USAID, these organizations tend to do is they go and find a guy who has an accountant that they know they can trust. But they don't find a guy they know that's going to carry out the job because there's never been a criteria for determining whether they could do the job in the first place. Nobody's even taken the first step with the functional accountability. We don't know how many NGOs are out there. They have a list now, but nobody's actually gone out there and from the ground up counted the NGOs and make sure they exist, make sure that they're collecting the money and at least spending a good part of it on their programs, and that those programs are doing what they're supposed to be doing.